Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip and today we are diving into a haul video. I haven't done a haul in a hot minute and I just had the perfect opportunity to do a little bit of shopping, so I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So if you guys are familiar with a store called Charming Charlie, and if you don't already know, but this store is going out of sale. It's closing. It is going away and I am so sad. I absolutely love this store. They have the cutest accessories. So they sent me an email saying that their stores were closing and they were having like a massive sale, and I was like, okay, this is time to buckle down, Chip. So I went and bought a few things from Charming Charlie, and I also have a few items from Amazon that I also want to share with you. So let's dive in, and if you are curious to see all the goodies I picked up, then stay tuned. Because the store is closing, I can't link anything down below, but I still wanted to share with you guys what I got because they are super cute. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up are these cute little pineapple earrings. They're so adorable. I have a couple of yellow shirts that I thought would go so great with these, and honestly, I am living. I love them. They are so cute, very bright, and yeah, I am super excited. These were originally $10, but I think with the sale, I paid like $5 or $6 for them, but yeah, they are super cute. And the next item that I picked up is this wallet. This is a mustardy orange wallet. I love it. I think the color is going to be perfect for the end of summer going into fall. It does come with a little handle thing here. I usually take these off because I like to just put this in a purse, and on the back it does have a zipper, so opening it up and it's kind of like a folding wallet thing on the inside. You do have slits here for your wallet, for your cards, your credit cards and whatnot, and your driver's license. There is a zipper right here in the middle for loose change, and then a space here to keep any cash. But yeah, I just thought that the color and the size was perfect for myself and definitely discounted. So I wanted to pick this up and I am super excited about it. And another thing I really loved about Charming Charlie, and I have to say loved instead of love because we're leaving, are their sunglasses, and so I definitely wanted to pick up a pair. Okay, so I know they look similar, but they're actually different. So here are the two sunglasses. So this is the first pair. I really like it. Like, this is really cute. I think it frames my face really well and I just love it. There's some detail here on the cat eye, and yeah, I am really excited about this. I'm actually going on vacation. By the time you see this, I will be in New Orleans with some friends, and I am definitely taking both pairs of sunglasses, probably one, because I lose sunglasses like nothing else in this world. Like, keys and sunglasses, I'll lose them like crazy. So I'll probably just take one pair, but here is the first pair. Loving it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. What do you think? Okay, so here's the second pair of sunglasses. I think these are more defined in the cat eye shape compared to the first pair, and then also the difference with the first pair, you have the design only like in the outer perimeter, but the design here is like completely surrounding the frame. So yeah, I definitely couldn't pass up. I couldn't decide on which one I wanted. They're on sale, so I got both pairs. But I am really loving this pair as well. I think I'll take this one on vacation, but definitely I am loving this as well. Sunglasses, I'm set. I couldn't pass this up. I saw it and I thought it was super cute. So this is a hat. It's a normal cap, and I got this because it says, but first coffee. If you guys know me, I am addicted to coffee. It wakes me up. It helps me through my day. It helps me through my workouts. So I definitely thought this was a cute cap to have and wear it for any occasion, workouts, going out. Like, this is cute. I love the burgundy color as well. So I thought, why not? It's on sale. I also went ahead and picked up a scarf. I love Charming Charlie. Their scarves, they are just so decorative, so gorgeous, and I actually like to wrap my head with a scarf if I'm not feeling like wearing a wig. So I just thought this was a really nice pattern, and it would be great to wear as a scarf or on my head, whatever the occasion may be. And I just love the additional like blue print here. The blue color along with the leopard print is just stunning. So yeah, I definitely wanted to pick up another one of these. So I was walking through the store and they have sections. So they have like a wedding section, a like your single section, a dad section, mom section, grandparents, and they also have a teacher section. So if you don't know, teaching is the career path that I am pursuing, and right now I'm working on getting my certification so I can teach in high schools. So I saw this and I was like, well, I'm not a teacher yet, but when I am, this will apply. But I didn't want to miss out because these were selling like hotcakes. So this is a bottle here and it's so cute. I love the size. This is kind of the like the Sip and Swell brand, but I don't think it's that brand, but it is like a knockoff version of that. But the reason I got it, one, the color combination, adorable. So what it says, there are 3 good reasons I'm a teacher: June, July, and August. And I just thought that was super cute. Again, these are the months where it's summer break and teachers are off. So I just thought when I become a teacher, this will be relevant and I would want one of these. So I bought my future self a present. I know, I'm crazy, but you just gotta love me. Just gotta love me. And the last thing from Charming Charlie is this adorable purse. Yes, I had to get a purse. The doors are closing, so this is my goodbye Charming Charlie purse. The last purse I will ever purchase from them, and I'm so sad. But here it is. It is a gorgeous pink, and I am obsessed. So we have 2, so it comes with, it's a handle, so kind of like an elbow kind of purse. I could even put it on my shoulder if I wanted to just keep it close and tight. It does have 2 accessible zippers here for whatever I'll put in. The reason why I got this one is also because it has a zipper closure, which I think is super important. I know there are some purses where you can just like clasp it, but that just makes me nervous. So there are 2 zippers here. The first one, which is this right here, this is much thinner of an opening, so I would put maybe my iPad in here or just some files or paper or whatnot. And then in the bigger opening zipper, this is where the big space of the purse, it has all of your pockets and whatnot, and take out the filling here that was holding the structure of the purse. I love the inside design, super cute, super large, a lot of room. And you do have a zipper on the inside and 2 little side pouches here. So yeah, I just thought this was, and the back doesn't have anything fancy, but this also was on sale. So this was originally $38 and I got this purse for $26. And yeah, this is just so cute. So me, so I was like, yeah, why not? Why not? We're here to say goodbye the proper way. So yeah, I picked up a purse and I'm super excited about it. Can't wait. If you want me to do a what's inside my purse, let me know. I'm going to transfer everything in my current purse into this one, so I can definitely get that video made for you, but just let me know down below. Okay, so that completes everything that I got from Charming Charlie, and I am just so sad that this store and the doors are closing, but I think for a goodbye haul, I did pretty good. I love all the items. I can't wait to wear the sunglasses on vacation, and I am super excited about those earrings and that wallet and this purse. Yes, I am really excited to start using that. So now let's move into the items that I got from Amazon, and this was just like a random spur of the moment type of shopping. Okay, so the first thing that I got from Amazon, this is, and the reason I got this is because I am purchasing sunglasses like crazy. So this is a sunglass organizer. It did come folded like this when it arrived, which is really nice, so you can just pick this up and move it anywhere. It's super light. Okay, so using the sunglasses that I got from Charming Charlie, so this is what it looks like, and so I'll just fill this up with all my sunglasses and hang it on the wall. And at the bottom here, I can keep some necklaces and whatnot. So these are clasps that come undone at the bottom, and then you put some necklaces or whatnot here, and then you just clasp it shut. And yeah, so that is the sunglass organizer, and I will leave a link for this if you're interested down in the description box, and the price and everything. But yeah, I just wanted something that I could better organize my growing sunglass collection. And the next thing I got, this was for my vacation that's coming up this weekend, and I got this cute little backpack. So again, we're going to New Orleans, and I just wanted something that I could keep on my back and I don't have to carry like a purse or anything. So this was just something cheap that I thought was super cute and would be handy. It does come with a little pouch thing in the front, so just keep like gum or whatnot here. It has a zipper right here and a zipper in the back, and here are your straps. Now the thing I really like about this backpack is it is crossed at the front, so you do have to kind of like loosen the straps here in order to access inside the backpack, which I think is just, it's a good safety precaution. So, you know, it's on my back, so it's not like anyone can like get into my backpack without me noticing, because it's gonna be some struggle. So I just thought that was nice. And in the back, it's pretty simple. It's just all black and it has some pouches. It is very roomy in here, so I know I can keep a lot of stuff. So definitely I'll be keeping water to stay hydrated, because it is August, and August in New Orleans is going to be hot. And also, because I know it's going to be hot in New Orleans, I got a fan. This is a handheld fan. I really wanted something that one could fit in this bag, but that was just accessible if I'm just getting too hot and sweaty. So this is what it looks like. It does come with a strap just to keep it more secure. And what I also like about this is it's powered with a plug. So it's a USB power source, which is nice, so you don't need batteries. And it comes with the power switch, which is right here, and 2 sets. So this is the first setting. Super light, it feels really refreshing. And then if I wanted more of a powerful fan, you just press it again. And this is the second setting. Oh, this feels really good, because it's actually pretty hot in my office right now. But yeah, so this is the fan, and then press it a third time and it turns off. And so yeah, so this fits just really nicely in the backpack, and I can keep the power cord in here as well. So I'll just charge that overnight, and we'll have a fan to use as we walk around the town. Okay, and the last item that I wanted to share with you guys, this was actually a gift from Travis, and I am super, super excited. So he got me the new iPhone. This is the SX Max, and I am so, so excited. So this is a phone upgrade for me, and oh my God, I can't even... I'm just so, so excited. Like, I can't even say how grateful and excited I am. So this will be my new phone, and it is a gold one, and it's just so stunning. He even got the case and the screen protector, so that is great, and I'm so thankful, so, so thankful. Thank you so much, honey. And so yeah, so that completes this haul, and I am super excited about trying out all these new items. So let me know what you think about them down in the comment box, and I will see you guys there. I hope you guys are having a fabulous week and have a safe and fun weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.